In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download leads from Pipedrive. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to export your leads into a file you can use in Excel, Google Sheets, or any other tool that accepts spreadsheets. First, open up your Pipedrive account and look for the leads icon in the main navigation. This icon usually looks like a small crosshair. Go ahead and click that to open your leads inbox. This is the central place where all of your leads are stored before they turn into deals, so it's the perfect starting point for an export. Once you're in the leads inbox, decide whether you want to download all your leads or just a specific group. At the top of the page, you'll see a filter option. If you only want a certain subset, like leads from a particular owner, source, or status, apply the appropriate filter here. Take a moment to get this right, because the export will only include the leads that match the filter you've selected. If you want everything, make sure the filter is set to all open leads, so nothing is left out. After your filter is in place, look toward the top right corner of the leads inbox. You'll see a three-dot icon, often labeled as More. Click on this icon to reveal additional options related to your leads. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the option called Export Filter Results. This tells Pipedrive to prepare a file containing only the leads that match your current filter. Next, you'll be asked to choose a file format. Typically, you'll see options like Excel using the .xlsx format or CSV. If you plan to work in Excel or Google Sheets and want to preserve formatting, Excel is usually a comfortable choice. If you're importing into another system or a marketing tool, CSV is often the safest, most universal format. Once you've chosen your preferred format, confirm the export. Pipedrive will generate the file for you, which may take a few seconds if you have a lot of leads. When it's ready, you'll see a download option. Click Download, and the file will be saved to your computer, usually in your default Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in your spreadsheet program, review your leads, clean up data, or import them into other tools as needed. That's all there is to it. Open your leads inbox, choose or confirm your filter, use the More menu to export, select your format, and download the file.